Fix D3drm.dll not found or missing error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Install Windows updates. Press the Check for Updates button to download and install new patch updates. Click the View Optional Updates option. Click the Driver Updates tab. Select the driver you want to update. Click the Download and Install button. Method 3. Install DirectX. DirectX is a collection of application programming interfaces, APIs, for handling multimedia tasks in Microsoft Windows. Installing the newest version of DirectX is necessary for optimal performance of games and multimedia applications on your computer. Method 4. Reinstall the affected program. If that didn't work. Method 5. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.